Yo, what up everyone? This is my channel. It's me, Joel, the lazy ass gardener. So anyways, I got a special thing going on right now. I got my e-board that I'm trying to charge. That is a 10S4P. And last June I was riding it and the controller was acting up and ended up eating shit. Anyways, I thought I broke my left wrist. My hand's still not 100%, but it hurts. But anyways, I got some shit going on. I got a dead battery pack. I have the deck what the fucking postman gave me. I have his own house. So I'm going to be making another deck. I have parts over here. You can see I got the fucking Archer Rain tires with the pulley. And then I got the I Wonder or the Cloud Wheel. So, and then I got the inboard trucks. And then I got the fucking Flip Sky 6348 motors. I have two of them. And then I got some crazy motor mounts that is not 100 put together yet. But I got some shit going on. I'm moving. It looks like I got a dead board also. Yep, dead board. Awesome. So therefore I have to make a new battery pack. And Rich, right now we're in a pandemic, which is great. So I looked on eBay and looked for sales and I found some LG hg2s for $10 a piece, which is fucking crazy. When at Alibaba, I found 100 pieces for $270, but they wanted $150 for shipping. I said, fuck that. I ain't doing that. So what I did find was some 21700s Samsung T40s. They are 35 amps, 4,000 milliamps. And I'm thinking about buying 100 of them for a price of $585. But they're legit. They look good. And to tell the truth, I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, but anyways. So we got a dead board. We got a board that's never been put together. I gotta get those batteries and see if I can charge it up with this power supply, bring it back to life. And then I bought some TP506. Those are lithium ion chargers. So I can charge them individually. And when I make the new battery pack, I have 72 cells of these. So I'm gonna make a battery pack out of that. And so I'm gonna keep this video short, simple, confusing. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If not, don't even worry about it. I'm gonna be making a DIY electric skateboard and a bunch of random parts. I'm out, fellas.